This is Johnny from Largo, the unincorporated part, around 102nd and Seminole. We got real wind, rain. We have gusts. It was really kicking. Here it comes again. As you can see from over there, the streets are full of water. Backyard's full. I don't know if you can see it good on this camera or not, but it's a blowing out here. I hope we make it through this, and look at this. Look at this. You see this? I should be inside, I guess. What you can do. I'm being careful. Yeah, we got a lot of rain out here. They don't even mention us. We're in Largo, 102nd Street, Seminole Boulevard, Cardinal Court. There it is. You can see it. Palm trees are bent over. You can't hardly see. Look at the rain. Let me step out here just for a second. Streets are full. I would say we got something going on. What do you think? I'm telling you. It's been gusting pretty good out here. Alright, I'm going to get back in. Woo, that feels good. That's at least 50, 60 miles an hour, I would say. I mean, it is blowing. Real hard. Real hard. Alright, I'm going to get out of here. I hope I know where to send this. This is Donnie, later from Largo.